Have you ever tried to build a Flutter app and ask yourself, how can I build this faster? In this video, you will learn my secret to build a Flutter app so much faster that you will never use your old method again. Keep in mind that what I'm about to share with you will give you 3 things in life. First, if you can code 10 times faster than your colleagues and deliver 10 times more projects, I can guarantee you that you will have a really strong argument in front of your boss when it will be time to ask for a bigger raise than your colleague. Second, if you want to create a Flutter startup, instead of doing this the weekend for months and months, you will be able to release your apps 10 times faster and start making real money right now. Third, you know when your boss tells you, just add this feature, and you know this will take so much time, but you have only 1 day. Well, now you will be able to add features faster than the client change his mind. Alright, you have probably heard of it in a Google conference, but for those who don't, here is how. I will tell you how to use this in order to maximize your productivity for developing Flutter apps. I tried to code the same app twice and record the time it took for both of them. It took 10 minutes to build it with the secret I'm about to share with you, and 40 minutes with the classic method. Obviously, this is only 4 times faster, and you might be angry right now because it's not 10 times faster. The reason is, the Flutter app built in 10 minutes was made by my friend who has never used it before. And the app made in 40 minutes was made by me, and I was speedrunning this thing faster than Bruce the Almighty. So, with similar skill experience, you should be able to actually code 10 times faster with this. But what is this thing that makes you code faster? You see, nowadays, a lot of people use services like GoDaddy or WordPress to create websites instead of coding everything. Flutter have the same thing. But first, for everyone saying, I hate to build websites like this because you are always limited in what you can do and I just prefer the real code. Well, let me tell you, with this you can create all your apps super fast and you can at any moment download the code and keep writing by yourself. At this point you might think the code will be pretty trash if you download it and unusable at all. Well, I can confirm that the code generated is even better than if an actual human will do it. If you download the code, you will see how simple it is to read and edit. At this point, you probably understand what I'm talking about. This secret to build 10 times faster your apps is what we call FlutterFlow. Let's say you want to build a Flutter Instagram clone. I will show you right now how simple it is compared to the normal coding. All you have to do is to drag and drop the widget you need, and that's it. But wait, what about more complex stuff? What if you need to create a database or authenticate users with Firebase? What if you need to save data locally on the phone? What if you need an API call, push notification, or even add custom code? Well, obviously, you can do all of this with FlutterFlow. Next time you want to build a super quick Flutter app, give it a try. And I can tell you, you will never regret it. This is the perfect solution for me. And I think it's the perfect solution for everyone that wants to build Flutter apps 10 times faster. And if you want to try it by yourself, click the link in the description to go on flutterflow.io and create your first project right now. Big thanks to the FlutterFlow team to sponsor this video. As you know, on this channel, we only do sponsorship with great businesses. So what are you waiting for? Click the link down below and I see you next time. Bye-bye.